You want your finger like you told me my finger was up. I said okay. My point is that don't fucking come at me like that. It's not that deep, man.
If it wasn't that deep, you would be yelling.
You know what? You started being serious.
Which kind of goes be this one for Biggie house this evening? Wait till they happen. And I think they cause and when they even see all these games, when they give all this house, they say that they play safe. What's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Austin Beffa and I'm really glad to have you here. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Watch the adverts on this video please, and also give this video a very big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Okay, all right guys, let's take it back to the very beginning before we now get to the fight and how it happened. Okay, earlier today Biggie told the housemates that they were going to have a task courtesy of Patricia, and it was actually tagged the Glover task. Okay, now the housemates were paired into 4 teams. We had team blue, we had team pink, we had team orange, and we had team green. Each of the 4 teams had 5 housemates, leaving 2 housemates out, and those included Yusuf and White Money. So automatically, yeah, they were the ones overseeing the games and, you know, reading out instructions and reading out all of that. Yeah, so they were not actually in any of the teams. Biggie mentioned to the housemates that they were going to be playing 5 games in total. The first one was what Biggie called the more you see, the less you know. I say, which one be this one again? It turned out that Yusuf and White Money had to read out the cards. You know, there were about 6 persona cards on the table, so these 2 people had to read it out, and then, you know, afterwards questions were asked for the teams to answer. Okay, it sounds confusing. Yes, it was actually very confusing. Okay, the second game now, drop the stick. Okay, Biggie called it drop the stick. Now what they expected to do was to point their index finger towards the person opposite them. In fact, that one I don't even really understand the idea of that game. All of them they do hand like this, you know, they can't they put stick on top of their hand, they can't they carry and go or carry and go down. So which one be this one? Biggie, what is the what was that this one? What's it with this one? The third game now be party flop. Now for this particular one, yeah, what Biggie wanted them to do was to carry balloon, blow the balloon, then be blow. You know, when you blow and finish, then you can't use the breeze or the air. When you blow inside the blow, you go can't use and push all those party cup when they're on top table. You can't use the breeze, can't they push the cup down from table. I say, which one be this one? Which one be this one? If Biggie want them to throw cup away, why don't you just tell them, okay, I'll carry the cup and throw it? Which one is to use the air from the balloon to be pushing the cups down? Make sure you don't touch the cup. Biggie like wahala. Now the 4th game, Biggie called it the cannonballs. Yes, I don't understand where Biggie they steal all these names. So basically, Biggie provided them with a board that had 12 holes. Each team was expected to bring a representative. It's the representative now that will be throwing balls into the board, you know, into the holes. So depending on how many holes have been, how many balls you can't throw inside. Now I can't sabi that one. I said, Biggie, now you even sabi. The last game for this particular task was the ping pong game. Okay, this time around, yeah, what they were supposed to do was to carry ball, can't they one side, can't they throw and make the ball they enter cup. Okay, so there were cups set on the table. The more balls you throw into the cup, the more your points. I say, Biggie, all these things you not need them. Okay, you not need them. Biggie saying they try to test their throwing skill. I tell you how they like to they throw things and not they throw. Anyways, these housemates were able to carry out this task successfully, even though say the thing hard, even myself I tire, because they said they tired, the thing hard. Let me just tell you guys, it wasn't even easy. So of course the housemates were already tensed. Yeah, now they now got back into the house and there were now conversations up and down. Perry, when he was doing the drop the stick task and everything, he was using his left finger. You not be lefty. You can't carry your left finger till they hold the stick where Biggie say Mona they do cognitive skill ability. You can't use your left hand when you know say your left hand they shake. And Nini had already asked him that time if his hand was shaking, and he said no. You know, so she let it slide because at the end of the day the game don't pass. We say the game don't pass. So when they now go back into the house now, some other housemates that saw Perez's hand shaking now said, oh yeah, his finger was actually shaking. No, Nini now heard it and she now went back to Perez and she like, but I asked you that time. And according to Nini, she actually asked Perez jokingly, like for her, she wasn't going there to fight. It was more like, okay, I asked you this thing during the game, if your finger was shaking, you said no. Now other housemates are saying yes, that your finger was shaking. So this is me just coming back to you to say, oh guy, your hand was actually shaking, because it wasn't only me that saw it, you know, because other housemates saw it. And then the next thing, yeah, Perez started shouting at her. Well, that was what she said. She said Perez was shouting at her because the camera wasn't focused on them at the time, so we don't really know how the basketball started. All we know is that the shouts just started, and you know, White Money was like, when the camera now went there, apparently like it was serious they were like at each other's faces, not like they were fighting or anything, but you know, Nini was really shouting. This was actually my first time seeing Nini just go off like that, because the Nini that we all know is always laughing, always playing, never serious and all of that. But today the girl vex, so say what nonsense is that, blah 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 blah. You were shouting, it's not that deep. Right, today the other side, they tell and say, if it's not deep, you not come to me to be raising your voice and everything. She just said, no, I wasn't the one raising my voice, you're the one raising your voice at me, blah 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 blah. They continued on and on and on, and of course Saga was just in the mix of all of this, because you know that Saga likes the girl and everything, and you know, Saga was just behind Nini facing Pere and was like, guy, just like calm down and everything. But Perez wasn't having it, because I mean, at the end of it all, yeah, they were all stressed, so I don't really know. That's so they argue. So right now, yeah, Pere and Nini are not talking, and you guys know that these two people are actually close, so it's just really weird. Now there was a point where Maria was now talking to Pere, and Pere was like, look, after the other game, I even now went back to her, I tried to give her like a high five, and you know, she just snubbed me and walked away and everything. You know, that he feels bad because I mean, he sees her as a baby sister, he loves her as a baby sister and all of that. So I don't know. Nini and her friend Ari and Boma, all of them don't do there, they chop, they gist and everything, while Perez just there. So I don't know if they are going to settle this fight tonight, or if this fight now be digging deep, because they feel on they dig deep till they leave the house. So yeah, we're just on the lookout, and obviously tonight is the party, so whatever happens, I'm going to bring it to you guys. Of course, that one going to come like midnight, because their party they start like 10 till like 12 or thereabout. So either the video come for midnight or may come tomorrow morning, but whatever happens here, I'll let you guys know. Okay, all right guys, that's basically the gist I have for you on this particular video. If you enjoyed watching it, please do not forget to give me a very big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye guys.